एमएमए के वेटरन, एक तरफ अंगद बिष्ट और दूसरी तरफ चैतन्या गवाली। जेसन, आप इन दोनों को बहुत टाइम पर जानते हो, जब आप फाइट करते थे ये भी फाइट करते थे, क्या कहना है आपका इस फाइट के बारे में?
This is a very exciting fight. I'm looking forward to this. Both of these guys are very well-rounded fighters. Like you said before, they're veterans in the game. They've been here for a long time. Ungish is coming off a nice win. So, or did he just lose? I think he lost, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Maharashtra, Chaitanya Gavale!
अब आ रहे हैं चैतन्या गवाली केज की तरफ। बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है इनके पास जेसन, इन्होंने काफ़ी लीग्स में फाइट किया है, इंडिया में भी और इंडिया के बाहर भी।
That's one way of looking at it. That's a great way of looking at it, you know? Anything in life, it's how you look at it. You can look at it, the glass is half empty or the glass is half full. The choice is yours. You can be positive or negative. And hopefully you're more positive than negative in your life, you know? It works to your benefit.
चलिए, आज इस चीज़ का जवाब हमें केज में मिल जाएगा। इनके लिए वो होगा ग्राउंड पे।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Slam King, Angad Bish!
अब आ रहे हैं अंगद बिष्ट केज की तरफ। इनको बोलते हैं द स्लैम किंग। स्लैम किंग क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि इनको अपने ओपोनेंट को उठा के पटकने का बहुत मन करता है।
Producing a lot of good fighters. So Angad Bish has got something to prove here tonight, man. I like this guy. He's got a lot of attitude, and I love his hairstyle. He reminds me of the Predator.
आज यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, पिछली फाइट जीते थे चुंगरन कॉरेन के अगेंस्ट। 3 राउंड गई थी वो फाइट और एंड में डिसीजन से जीते थे। टेल ऑफ द टेप देखिए, अंगद का बैकग्राउंड है ग्रैपलिंग, चैतन्या का एमएमए। वेट में अंगद थोड़े से चैतन्या से भारी हैं और हाइट में भी थोड़ा सा रीच एडवांटेज लेके आते हैं।
Yeah, they look pretty close.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 58.4 kilograms, representing Maharashtra, Dangerous Chaitanya Gavale! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 61.3 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand. Make some noise for the Slam King, Angad Bish!
Got some gloves, maybe not. All right.
बढ़िया लेग किक
Start off and a
और
return, a counter.
जवाब में अंगद भी।
Chaitanya's look like nice inside leg kick, nice combination, straight hand. Ooh, a nice 1-2.
काफी अग्रेसिव चैतन्या।
Nice body shot from Chaitanya. He's definitely, ooh, nice hook from Angad. These guys going back and forth. I like the way Chaitanya's going up to the top, then to the body. Leg kicks, he's mixing it up nice and easy.
चैतन्या की स्ट्राइकिंग में डेफिनेटली जेसन बहुत फर्क नजर आ रहा है।
Oh yeah, he's worked a lot. You can see nice body kick. Angad goes for a takedown with a single leg, takes him down. Nice scramble. Still got a hold of him. They spin.
क्या डिफेंस है, बहुत ही बढ़िया। अंगद ने टेक डाउन लिया लेकिन फटाफट चैतन्या वापस अपने पैरों पे आ खड़े हुए।
Nice body shot by Chaitanya. He's setting it up beautifully. Nice leg kick. Nice combo.
Hard punches.
Hey, I take my words back. Chaitanya is making me eat my words right now. His striking has improved like dramatically, bro.
और हमने ग्रैपलिंग में भी देखा जेसन नीचे जाते ही 1 सेकंड में ऊपर आ गए वो।
And he seems a lot more confident. I think that loss gave him a new fire. Good takedown.
अब यहाँ पे चैतन्या ने लिया है टेक डाउन, देखते हैं क्या होता है ग्राउंड पे।
Yeah, he's putting the pressure on. A nice couple of combos landed. Good clean face shots, good clean body shots, and a nice takedown. Good top control. Got Angad against the cage. Angad needs to do something to get out of this position and quit.
यहाँ से मुझे लगता है चैतन्या अपनी पोजीशन को सेट करेंगे पहले और उसके बाद स्ट्राइक्स मारना स्टार्ट करेंगे। अंगद पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं खड़े होने की।
Angad's doing a good job of using the cage to stand up, but Chaitanya is just all over him like a glove. Look at that hip control. He's fighting for hip control and wrist control. He's wrapped around him nice.
जेसन ये बिल्कुल ही नए चैतन्य नजर आ रहे हैं। जो लास्ट टाइम हमने इनको देखा था, मुझे लग रहा है मैं किसी और फाइटर को देख रहा हूँ। बहुत काम किया है इन्होंने।
Absolutely. He looked a little timid in the striking exchanges in the previous fight. This one right here looks like he's leading the striking exchanges, and he's even leading in the aggression. He's pushing forward, putting a lot of pressure on Angad. Angad's overwhelmed. Look at that combo straight into takedown. He's mixing it up. I love it. Great defense by Angad though, man. Give this kid some credit. He's doing great in there.
बिल्कुल अंगद बिष्ट काफी मजबूत फाइटर हैं और एक दो पंचेस से या एक दो टेकडाउन से उन्हें ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। और अंगद भी अब वापस स्ट्राइक्स मारते हुए, क्या बात है।
Yeah, nice exchange. Both fighters hit some heavy shots there, but both still standing, both in the fight.
वो लेफ्ट हुक लैंड किया।
That combination's been working over and over again all night from him, and another good body shot. Those body
right
shots
hook.
are going to add up at the end of the fight. I love the way Chaitanya is just shooting in for that takedown. He's not stopping, not hesitating, keep going, trying to run through Angad.
ये है हाई क्वालिटी मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स।
But you know what? Angad's doing a great job of defending. That's a great work he's been doing. Look at the way Chaitanya is holding his foot. You see the way he's grabbing hold of Angad's foot, not allowing Angad to put his foot down to get up. But there finally Angad gets free. He works his way up back to his feet. Let's see if he can reverse. Switch Chaitanya. He wants to switch positions if he can.
डिफेंस कर रहे हैं अंगद, लेकिन चैतन्य ने मजबूर कर दिया है उनको सिर्फ डिफेंस करने के लिए। अंगद की तरफ से अभी तक ज्यादा अटैक देखने को मिला नहीं है।
Yep, and they break again. Angad's back. Got some space. He's working those leg kicks of his own. Ooh, nice jab. Timed that perfectly and followed up by a nice 1-2 combo. With a nice fight back by Angad.
चैतन्य इशारा कर रहे थे कि उनकी आंख में उंगली गई है, लेकिन रेफरी डैनियल आइजैक ने मना कर दिया।
Yeah, it didn't look like an eye poke to me. It looks like he got clip on the end, right on the eye.
एंड अगर आई पोक हुआ भी हो, आप नहीं बोल सकते हैं, रेफरी को खुद रोकना होता है फाइट को।
There you go again. You see, anytime Angad goes for that leg kick, Chaitanya comes straight with a nice crisp jab. There it is again, another straight jab down the middle. Great jab.
मजे की बात ये है जेसन कि ये पंचेस खाने के बाद भी अंगद आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
Oh yeah, Angad's a beast, man. Angad is that's why it's mutant MMA. That guy's a mutant, man. I think he gets stronger the more you hit him, brother.
बिल्कुल जेसन एक म्यूटेंट के प्रकार अंगद अटैक करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे
Hey,
हैं।
look at that combo again. See, every time Angad goes for that leg kick, Chaitanya goes for that, and those body shots are adding up, man. Those body shots are definitely going to add up.
सही बात है, चैतन्य की काउंटर स्ट्राइक्स बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रही हैं।
Yeah, his timing is down pat perfectly. He's got Angad's number. Yeah, I'm really, really hyped for this fight, man. Look at Angad. He's still talking crap. He's like, I don't care. Let's go.
दूसरा राउंड शुरू होने जा रहा है। अब देखते हैं क्या रणनीति लेके आते हैं दोनों फाइटर्स इस दूसरे राउंड में।
All right, here we go. Round 2.
शॉट जेसन
Yeah, there's exchanging those leg kicks.
और बहुत ही फास्ट स्विंग किया अंगद ने, लेकिन चैतन्य ने डक किया।
Chaitanya's got to keep it cool. Don't miss up the timing trying to go for power. You rather, there you go. That's how you be. Nice and easy. Pick your shots. He's got to pick the shots.
कमाल की स्ट्राइकिंग, वाओ, हार्ड पंच, खत्म।
And it looks like Angad just needs to keep. It looks like a flash knockout. That's what it was. It was a flash knockout, but he's back on his feet. It's happened to me before. You go out for a second, but you're right back in it. Daniels, from old school ref, OG ref, he saw that, didn't stop the fight. Well done. Angad's still fighting. He shouldn't give up here. He's going to take control. He's got the back. Gets one leg in. Got one hook in.
क्या बाजी पलटी है।
Trying to get another hook, looks like. Turns to the side. Chaitanya doing a good job. Angad trying to get that figure 4 lock with his legs. You put that leg around. But Chaitanya's doing a good job of blocking with his knee, not allowing Angad to get the lock in.
काफी मुश्किल में आ गए हैं यहाँ चैतन्य।
Chaitanya's in a pretty tough spot, but he's a veteran. He's been here before. I don't think he's going to sweat the hard stuff. Nice way to get the back. Chaitanya's defending amazing. He got 2-on-1 wrist control. Angad trying his best to keep the position. They're kind of slippery.
जेसन
Nice.
इस टाइम मुझे माइक टाइसन की कहावत याद आ रही है, एवरीबॉडीज गॉट अ प्लान टिल दे गेट हिट इन द फेस.
Oh yes, absolutely. And Chaitanya just got hit in the face, man. And the whole fight transitions into a whole new dimension now. We got Angad winning it right now on top.
और अभी इस राउंड में पूरे 3 मिनट बाकी हैं जेसन.
Yeah, Angad just needs to play it cool, keep that position.
Oh,
No, it's not in yet. It's not tight enough.
it's very close.
It's not under the chin yet. Doesn't look like it. Now it's tight. Now he's got it. There it is. And just like that, the fight is over. In an exchange, Angad got the better at the exchange, knocked down Chaitanya. Chaitanya tried to recover. Angad did what he was supposed to do, kept the pressure on top, kept that position, and there you go. There you have the finish. I love it. This kid, I love this kid. The mutant, Angad Bish, baby. Let's do it.
अंगद बिष्ट को स्लैम किंग इसीलिए बोलते हैं, एक ही सेकंड में वो फाइट का रुख बदल देते हैं. क्या कमाल की फिनिश है वाकई. ये देखिए यहाँ पे पंचेस लगे और ये अपर कट था.
It was a next clean left hook that caught him straight on the chin and took him straight down. And Angad just kept the pressure, worked it, got the hook in, got the elbow under the chin. That's the most important. And then it's all she wrote. Good night.
चैतन्य ने कोशिश करी डिफेंड करने की, लेकिन वो पंच का असर और उसके बाद अंगद की ग्रैपलिंग, इस कॉम्बिनेशन के आगे चैतन्य ढेर हो गए.
Well-deserved victory by him. Good job.
Declaring the winner, submission by the rear naked choke, the Slam King, Angad